I'm Brian Hughes. I'm Director of Parks and Recreation for the City of Avondale, and I'd like to, again, welcome you here to Alamar Park.
So a few elements of what's in this park. We have fields. There's 2 ball fields. Up on the north side, we have a multi-purpose field. There's a lot of informal play grass and fields to the south of us. We have courts, 4 pickleball courts, 1 basketball court, tennis court. There's 3 playgrounds, and everything is really spread out so it doesn't feel too cluttered in any one spot. We have the splash pad, which is sure to be a hit. And the amphitheater. It may be hard to notice, but it's designed so that the smallest of gatherings can happen behind us, and as you kind of go clockwise, it keeps getting bigger, so you can have 100 people, hundreds of people, and thousands of people for different types of events that we have. We have 2 dog parks over here to my left. And then if you've seen the bright blue fitness court, it's an outdoor fitness court. It's part of the National Fitness Campaign, and it's the only the 3rd fitness court in Arizona. So we're proud to have one of those here at Alamar Park.